Peach Mousse Dessert, ready in 5 minutes. To start, I will put 850 grams of peaches in syrup in a strainer. I will transfer just the peaches to another container and reserve the syrup. Next, I will add 1.5 cups of condensed milk. Then, with the help of a food processor, I will blend our ingredients until fully incorporated. I'm glad you are enjoying our recipes. After that, I will add half a cup of the syrup and also 1 cup of milk. I will blend again with the food processor. Now, I will add 3/4 of a cup of cornstarch. I will stir our ingredients until they are completely mixed. This is simply a delicious recipe. Make it at home and then come back here to tell me what you think. I would love to hear about it. Then I will transfer our recipe to a saucepan. I will keep stirring until it thickens well. If you have never made peach mousse before, this is your chance to discover how delicious it is. It is easy to prepare, quick, and the flavor will surprise you. Once it reaches this point, I will transfer our mixture to a container. I'm sure you've never tasted a dessert as wonderful as this one. I will take it to the fridge for 4 hours. In another container, I will put 2 cups of whipping cream. With the help of a mixer, I will whip until it doubles in size. This dessert is amazing. The result will surprise you with how delicious it is. Next, I will add our peach mixture. I will keep mixing until everything is fully incorporated. This peach mousse is one of those desserts that always leave everyone wanting more. It is refreshing, light, and has that touch of sweetness that wins over anyone. Now, I will put our recipe in a container. Take the opportunity to tell me if you have any recipes with peaches. I would love to know your favorite recipes. This dessert has already become a routine in my home, and I am sure that once you try it, it will become a routine in yours too. For a special touch, I will add some peach on top. I love this recipe, and I am sure that you and your entire family will love it too. I make it every weekend, and when I do, nothing is left. If you like fruit desserts, I am sure this will become one of your favorites. It is perfect for any occasion.